Good day everyone, my name is Larry Contada and I'm from BSMT2 Bravo. So, I'm explain about the position line and dead reckoning. For the first example, from 1500s, the ship sails at 6 knots, steering a course of 230 degree T. Currently settings 120 degree T at a rate of 1.4 knots. For determining by plotting the following, number 1 is DR position at 1600s or 1630s and EP or estimated position at 1630s as a result of current. Course made good or CMG, and for number 4 is the speed made good or SMG. For our formula to be used is D over S multiplied by T. So let's proceed the problem. From 1500s, the ship sails at 6 knots, steering a course of 230 degree T. A current is setting 120 degree T at a rate of 1.4 knots. So for number 1, again, the DR position of 1630s and the EP or estimated position at 1630s as a result of the current. Number 3 is the course made by good or CMG and speed made good or SMG. For our formula, we substitute every given, which is D is missing over the speed, which is the 6 knots, multiplied by our time, which is the 1630s minus 1500s, is equals to 130 or 1.5. So our 6 knots, we can multiply it to 1.5, which is the answer is 9 nautical miles. Again, for our distance is missing over 1.4 knots, multiplied by 1630s and minus to 1500s. This is also a given, and the total value is 130 or 1.5. Our 1.4 knots multiplied by the answer we can subtract earlier, which is 1.5, and the answer is 2.1 nautical miles. And for the last one, we have a distance now. The value is 8.5 over the missing, which is the speed, and multiplied by 1.5 for our time. For total of our SMG is 5.7 knots. So this is the illustration of our problem that we can solve. For our EPT1 and EP2, when leeway and set are both present, first apply the leeway and then apply the set. This gives two estimated positions. EPT1 is for the leeway only, EPT2 is for the leeway and set. For our current situation, we have set, rate, time, and drift. The value of the set is 120 degree T. The value of the rate is 1.4 knots. And for our time is 1.5 hours. And for our drift is 2.1 nautical mile. For our formula that we can use is the same in our first problem, which is the d over s divided or multiplied by t. This missing again, and over 6 knots multiplied by 16 30/100 minus 15/100 is equals to 130 or 1.5. Our 6 knots is multiplied by 1.5 is equals to 9 nautical mile. For our current is setting 120 degree T at the rate of 1.4. If an NWL wind causing a leeway of 10 degree is experienced, determine EP at 16/30 as a result of the current, and for our course made good or speed made good. So this is the illustration to be clear to everyone how to solve this problem. So that's all for our dead reckoning.